You want to convert more clients for your speaking business, right? Well, there's one type of content out there that will help you start doing more of that today. We'll tell you what that is and why you should be using it coming up.
Hey there, I'm Alexander.
And I'm Evan with your local studio.
And this video is part of our series on getting more speaking gigs. Whether you're a professional speaker trying to get more paid speaking gigs, or you're using speaking to grow your influence and to grow your business, both apply in what we're talking about in this series. This video particularly, though, is converting more clients. It's like that final stage. You need to tip them over to say, I want you.
Yes.
I want you.
And they slam money on the table.
And they give me. Here's my money.
That's how it works, right?
Sure. So how do you do it? What is this one piece of content?
It is testimonial videos. Now, if you want to make some good testimonial videos because maybe you don't have any, we actually made a video about how to make better testimonial videos. So stick around to the end of the video. We'll have a link there where you can check that out and learn how to make good testimonial videos.
There is so much power in someone else giving you validation versus you saying how awesome you are.
Right.
Because I'm sure you are, but someone else saying it is so much better.
Yes.
Now, what are some of the types of things someone could say in a testimonial, like a good testimonial?
Yeah, so you'll hear things like, speech really moved me, or really impacted me, or I learned a lot about, XYZ, or they're really dynamic, they were so energetic, they held my attention, that kind of thing.
All those
that stuff.
Emotions that someone can talk about that you made them feel is good. Because then effectively, if you list all these positive, or the testimonial person lists all these positive emotions, someone else says, well, I want to feel these too, and it's just a great validation. The next piece, though, is if someone shares their thoughts on a particular type of content you shared. So, they really spoke really interesting, gave me a new way to look at X, or I like the nugget of wisdom they gave me on Y. It's great too, but cautionary note here is if this content doesn't speak to another audience that you're targeting, it can actually turn them off. It can be a negative effect. An example of the topic could be, if you go to an automotive conference and you speak there and you get a testimonial, but you're also targeting healthcare, and someone sees a testimonial, they really made me think about selling cars completely different. A healthcare person's not going to care.
Unless they're healthy cars, then maybe they care.
Maybe they may care too. That's kind of a black and white example, but you can get even more smaller distinction. Like if you're trying to help, we use this example in another video, grow a beard or trim a beard. And someone says, they really helped me figure out how to trim my beard better. I don't care because I don't even have a beard, but I maybe want to try to grow one.
Or maybe wear a fake one. Or maybe somebody's speaking about that.
But true. It's these small distinctions that make the difference, and someone in their brain saying, they can help me on the very problem that I am feeling.
Yeah.
So ideally, you have different landing pages for your different audiences, and also the different topics that you speak on. So you can even tie a testimonial to a specific topic and pain point that you solve, thereby helping you get more clients. Simple as that.
Yes.
Testimonials rock. You can hire a videographer to be there present at an event you do. We offer an event called the Key 5 Conference. We provide the environment, the stage, the lighting, the audience, 100-person audience, and 7 different camera angles. So if you need that kind of boost to launch a new topic, a new talk that you do, and get the testimonials after, because we have a whole bunch of testimonial stations, check out key5conference.com and see if it makes sense for you.
And don't forget to check out our other 3 videos where we talked about things like importance of awareness, consideration, and decisions. So definitely check those out if you want to get more speaking gigs and make more money.
More money.